Hey everyone, let's talk about what's really going on in the housing market right now and why both buyers and sellers should be paying close attention. Mortgage rates have dropped slightly again, and we're now looking at around 6.85 for a 30-year fixed. That may not seem like a big shift, but it makes a noticeable difference in monthly payments. For example, on a $400,000 home, that's roughly $100 to $125 a month in savings compared to earlier this year. So, what's causing the dip? Mortgage rates are influenced by a few key factors, and here are the big three. Economic data. When reports like the jobs report come in strong, it shows the economy is still kicking. But if growth starts to slow, that puts downward pressure on mortgage rates. Right now, we're seeing steady employment growth. That's great news for the economy overall, but it also gives the Fed confidence to hold off on cutting interest rates just yet. Inflation trends. Mortgage rates usually follow inflation. If inflation is cooling, which it has been slowly, the Federal Reserve will signal future interest rate cuts, and the bond market will move accordingly, and ultimately rates will decrease. What is indicated for now is that the Federal Reserve is keeping rates where they are. They're waiting to see if inflation continues to cool before making any big moves. Markets are pricing in a possible rate cut in June, which would be a huge plus for mortgage rates heading into the summer. Federal Reserve policy. Now, the Fed doesn't directly set mortgage rates, but when they signal future rate cuts, it influences the bond market, and that's where mortgage rates are born. There are actually some analysts predicting 4 federal rate cuts for the remainder of 2025. So here's what this means for you. Buyers, lower mortgage rates equal more buying power. You can afford a bigger home or enjoy a more comfortable monthly payment. Plus, less competition means it's a great time to negotiate. Sellers, as rates drop, more buyers jump back in, which can lead to faster sales, stronger offers, and in some cases, multiple bids, especially if the inventory stays tight. If you're thinking about making a move, whether you're buying, selling, or investing, now's the time to get your strategy in place. Let's talk about what this market means for you. Shoot me a message and let's connect.